Hey there, everyone. Good morning. Andrew Tahako here with TNT Group, posting this once again, this webcast for NakedTrader.com. The date is February 10th, 2011, and it's about 5:45 in the morning over here in Chicago. Um, Kind of a lot going on last night. I guess you could say sort of, kind of. A lot going on into this morning. Um, Kind of talking about the markets and actually what they did. The whole night it was pretty much one directional in all markets. You had debt pretty much chugging higher most of the night. Never really caught an offer at any point overnight. Same with equities to the downside though. You're looking at minis down $9 right now. Just constant offers, just constant selling, selling, selling. No real big retracements on anything. um, that's pretty much how the whole night went. If you didn't really get on the move right away or realize you needed to get on it, you're kind of screwed just because it was a very slow and methodical type of trade. Like I said, it was very the minis offered, 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 bid, bid, offer, offer. It was just one of those where you didn't really have too many big moves. It was just kind of a methodical move in every product, and pretty much a scratch here for the night. Didn't really do too much just because I didn't really get on it right away, and like I said, you're kind of screwed if you didn't, and that's just the way it traded last night. One area I do want to give you in the Eurostoxx, the price is 30.23. Huge fight there early on in the morning. Or overnight for me. Kind of a huge fight at that price. Huge size, back and forth. Anytime a big bid came in, they'd hit it. Anytime a big offer came in, they bought them. So real back and forth at that price, and finally the sellers really prevailed, and that's kind of when equities decided to tail lower and continue trending downward. So that price was kind of huge in the early session here overnight. So 30.23 in the Eurostoxx, be wary of. A lot going on here in about 15 minutes now. We're going to see the BOE, their rate decision, that sort of thing. Don't really trade the pound or anything like that, but if they do anything or say anything, it should affect these other markets a little bit. So that's coming up in a little bit. Always keep an eye on that, and then continuing and initial jobless claims at 7:30. Though that's pretty much the big number. Then into the morning, there was a rumor out last night. Should mention this. Take it as you want. I don't know how you can trade off of it. Oil did make a little bit of move higher off of it. There's a rumor that the Saudi king, his name is Abdullah, he's dead. Now there's a report that he's alive. So once again, you're getting these mixed back and forth thing. It was the same thing with the whole Weber thing yesterday, or Weber, however you want to say it. Kind of back and forth crap again. Oil did rally. Pretty good spike higher actually. About 5 minutes after the initial report that he was dead came up. Take it as you want, though. I have no freaking idea. People can't decide if they're dead or alive. People can't decide if they're quitting, taking another job, or actually staying. Who knows? No wonder why our world is in turmoil right now. People can't really decide if they're dead or if they're alive. Who knows? Take it as you want. It was just a rumor last night, and then the rumor got squashed that said he was actually alive. We're also waiting on the whole Axel Weber thing. Weber, he's actually having a speech at 12:45 GMT. Should be interesting to see what he says. See if he says anything about possibly someone else to replace, Trichet, since he was kind of the front runner leading things. See if he has any thoughts or opinions on that in his speech. So watch out for that at 12:45 GMT. Really, everyone's kind of waiting around for it after the whole BOE, and it should be interesting to see what he says. Check out our blog too, whether you're watching this on our blog or watching this on Naked Trader. I'm gonna try and post something with kind of the front runners and the people that everyone's kind of keeping an eye on for Trichet's replacement. I know there's about 4 or 5 names out there. I think it's really crucial. I know they're going to pick someone possibly into the summer to replace Shea, but I think it's crucial to know these guys' names, understand Hawk, Dovish, whatever it is that they are, kind of their backgrounds. You could start seeing once these names start kind of getting flown into the markets and kind of rumors on who people think that should be replacing Shea. You could see this Euro really start to act on it, and I think it's going to be important to kind of know these names, understand their backgrounds, and understand kind of their policies. So I'm going to try and get something together a little bit and put names to faces, kind of their whole background and things like that. But that should be up either today or tomorrow. But other than that, Axel Weber, the big thing coming up after the BOE this morning. So keep an eye on that. That's it from here. Andrew Tahako with TNT Group posting this webcast once again for NakedTrader.com. Appreciate it and good trading. Thanks.